Taking a look at Stan's big baler and loader. You can see that it's set up here in the field, ready to load. We'll walk over there and get a close-up view of it. Here we do have Paul mounting back into the truck, ready to load. We'll notice how quickly he's able to maneuver the loader, and we will time how long it takes for him to load this wagon with 600-pound bales of straw. For a total of 32 bales will go on this load. In this field, we're using the big baler. Paul's been able to pick up 2 of the big bales at once instead of singly working. Now Paul is picking up 2 bales at once, setting them side by side with a lifting capacity of about 2,000 pounds. It's fairly easy work to pick up the 2 bales of straw. He maneuvers it right into place and sets it neatly on the trailer with a minimum of wasted motion. Paul continues with that. We'll take a look at the big baler. It's sitting over here right now. Stan's working on it. We'll go over and take a closer look at it. Okay, as you can see, we're back to Stan's big baler now. Paul's making sure around me as this is going on. Around and be right back. While we're waiting here for Stan, we'll watch the big baler go some more. I mean the loader. Paul's now out several yards away. Lays them side by side. Picks up 2 at a time and brings them in. Quite a weight load on the loader. Nice deep tank. Okay, back to Stan over here with the big baler. ready to start again. Stan's turned around at the other end of the field and he's coming back into view. You can see him coming up over the hill. While we were gone, Paul continued to load, and now you can see here as we pan back that he's worked himself quite a ways away from where he had the trailer, so he rehooked to it and moves it down into the middle of a large group of bales. That way he doesn't have to make such long trips each time he loads. He's got 5 layers on now. And Stan's baling more. Get a closer look at this. Stan's coming along here real well now. See the dust picking up from the dry straw. Really seems to be going real well. Light spread, hay right in the front. I mean, the large windows right in the front. Paul is continuing to load. You can see how fast he can maneuver these bales into position. Paul's now putting on the 7th layer, it looks like, of bales. And we'll continue on that process. Okay. We are recording again. And Stan's stopped momentarily. Right back as soon as he gets the thing turned around. Okay, Stan has light bale coming out. Destination, where it'll turn right around and use it to unload. Continues on down. As a completed wagon load comes out, and it's been approximately 15 minutes since this truck started to load. Ready to leave the field now. 8 high? Yeah. 8 high stack. It's pretty solid. There's no tie downs. Not much chance of any of that going anywhere besides the wheel. Did throw one rope over the middle.
This bird. Legal bird.
Yeah. The state of Oregon likes it to be tied in. Okay. Thanks, Paul. Okay, while Paul is leaving, you'll just go right on the road and be able to tool right on down the highway with that load. We have to come back and find out where Stan is. And here he comes back down on the other load. Okay, it's been a good day. Good demonstration of how the equipment runs. And it's time for us to go. So we'll fade into the sunset.